Teacher and all parents, now we are going to watch and listen to explanation more about Abdul Qadir Foundation, which will be presented by Mr. Abdul Qadim himself.
Dr. Haji Abdul Qadim, commonly known as Pak Qadim, was born in one of the nice villages on Sekayu, Palembang, South Sumatra, on May 21st, 1954. He spent his childhood in his hometown and moved to Jakarta after finishing his high school. Pak Kadim started his professional experience in 1984 at PT Astra International as an accounting supervisor. Numerous certifications as an accountant has also been accomplished. Accountant title from Ministry of Finance, Chartered Accountant, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Tax Consultant, Ministry of Finance, Certified Professional Management Accountant, Certified Liquidator Indonesia, Asian Chartered Professional Accountant. Not only own business in tax, management and accounting like PT Sekayu Agung Konsulindo and Kadin, Veronica, Shahirman Public Accountant Firm, he also owned business in property sector called Bonot Property in Purwakarta, rubber processing plant PT Fajar Berseri in Bangka, and a fishing park Pemancingan Telaga Silet in Dramaga Bogor. The current condition of our beloved kids has brought his concern to provide the very basic education of Akhlak and Muslim attitude reflecting on Al-Quran and Hadith. To exteriorize his staff, then Abdul Qadim Foundation was established to support Bojana Tirta Islamic School. Another concern for his hometown that he exposed is build a sophisticated and very artistic Masjid Raya Abdul Qadim through Ar-Rohim Appeal Foundation in Palembang, South Sumatra, which now become the center of new religious destination.